Braves slugger. Matt Olson was a big part of Atlanta's historic 2023 regular season, and some of that history belongs solely to him. On September 16 against the Marlins at Lone Depot Park in Miami, Olson launched a 433-foot solo blast to center field. It was his 52nd home run of the season, breaking a tie with Andrew Jones for the single-season franchise record. Olson is the latest hitter to shatter his team's single-season mark. Aaron Judge did it for the Yankees in 2022 with his AL record 62 homers. 20 of the 30 franchises have seen new records